Hi guys, welcome back with the last puzzle in not today's newspaper but in the yesterday's newspaper. Yesterday's newspaper on Saturday, yes, Saturday, August the 28th, 2021. We have here the last puzzle and it's a tectonic with 1 star. And this one will be a number 3316. Yeah, 3316. Before I start, I always count the 20 digits. Well, this one has. Let me count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 15, 16, 20 digits. Alright. So let's get started. And the first question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. Already filled in the 1. And there are no other single boxes here. Alright. Dual boxes. Do we see here any dual boxes here? No. Only 2 triple boxes. It contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. We have a 2 already filled in here, so 2 numbers left. The 1 and the 3 are left. Let me fill this. I do not know in which order. Here also. I do not know what numbers those are, but it contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Quadra boxes then. I see here the quadra box in the L shape. And if you see an L shape with 4 boxes, the inside box is always a 5. Alright. More quadra boxes here? No. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes. For example, this shape. Let me draw this. This shape. Remember, if you see this shape, this box has always the same number as that box. So this box is the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Yeah, another one. So this box has the same number as that box. Here, another one. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2. And this box is connected with that box, will be also 2. And this box is connected with that box, will be also a 2. More of these kind of shapes? No. Here, another one. This box has the same number as that box. Okay, 4. Wow, 4 of this kind of shapes. Then the following shape, the L shape, rotated. Remember, if you see an L shape, this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2. Alright. So this box is the same number as that box. The inside box. Alright. Then we have this kind of shape. Remember, if you see this kind of shape, this box is always the same number as that box. Alright. More of this kind of shape here? No. No. Then I see the last shape or figure or construction or structure, whatever you name it. The Z construction. Yeah. Okay. If you see the Z construction. Oh, wait. This box is the same number as that box. So this box is the same number as that box. Alright. If you see this Z construction, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. Okay. So this box has the same number as that one. But also that this box has the same number as that box. Okay. Here another Z construction. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. Okay. Those are the figures that you need to recognize, or shape that you need to recognize. In this puzzle we have 4, but there are more of those figures or shapes that you need to recognize. Then the following step, it's easy for filling the numbers. Alright, so next stage is let's get starting filling the numbers. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5. So the 1 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 1 and a 5. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 3 and 4. Okay. This box cannot be a 1, that box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this quarter box should be there. 2 numbers left, the 3 and the 4 in this quarter box. And this box is connected with that box, should be also 3 and a 4, and this box is connected with that box, should be also 3 and a 4. Okay. Okay. This box cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. So 2 boxes left, the 3 and a 4 again. Okay. These 3 boxes surround the 1, cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Then. Ooh. This box cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. This box cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Okay. One of the missing number here in this area is a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. This box is reserved for the 3 and the 4. Okay. Well. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. This box cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes cannot be a 1. We have a double 1 here, so the 1 could be here, could be there. In this L shape, I missed this L shape because I saw only 1. But this upside down, this box has the same number as that box. So this box should be also a 2. Alright. So 2 numbers left, a 3 and a 1. Okay. That means that this box cannot be a 1 anymore because we have a double 1 there. Otherwise, I cannot fill any one in one of those 2 boxes if I place a 1 here. So the 1 should be here. Yeah. This box cannot be a 3. This box cannot be a 1 because we have a 3 and a 1 here. The 3 and a 1 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 box left in this area for number 4. Now we have a 4 here, so this box cannot be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 3. Now we have a 4 here, so this box cannot be 4 anymore. That box should be, sorry, this box should be a 4, and that box should be a 3. This box is connecting with that box, should be also a 4. This box is connecting with that box, should be a 3. One box left in this Z construction for the number 4. Okay, these two boxes cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. This box cannot be a 1, that box cannot be a 1, so the 1 goes together with the 4 as a pair, 4 and a 1. This box is connecting with that box, should be also 1 and a 4. Okay, 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 3 and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Okay. This box cannot be a 5. This box cannot be a 2. So the 2 and the 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So here we have a other pair, the 1 and the 4. And this box is connected with that box, will be also 1 and a 4. Well, I cannot place a 1 here because we have a double 1 here and a double 3. So this box cannot be a 1. This box should be a 4. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. Now we have a 4 here, so this box cannot be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 1. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. Alright, 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 2 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and 5. Now we have a 2 here, so this box cannot be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 5. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be a 2, should be a 3, can be a 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 1. These two boxes can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 4 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes and there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes and there. 2 numbers left, the 2 and a 1. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box is going to be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 5. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Yes, could be a 4. Can it be a 5? Yes, it should be a 4. Alright. Then this box cannot be a 1 because we have a double 1 there. That box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this L shape for the numbers 4 and 5, 4 and 5, 4 and 5. Okay, these 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Let me see. 2 numbers left in this L shape for the numbers 1 and 4. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, it can be 2, it can be 3, it can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 3. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 2 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Okay, now we have a 3 here, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 1. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 3 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 3 and a 4, that means that those 2 boxes can be 3 and the 4. The 3 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 4. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 1 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Now we have a 4 here, so this box cannot be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 3. Now we have a 5 here, so this box cannot be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 4. Now we have a 5 there, so this box cannot be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 2. Finish in 15 minutes. Yes, correct. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also over by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the tectonics, playlists for the binaries, playlist for the letter Sudoku, for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus. I have also a playlist for the heavy, for the light, for the medium, for the quintuplet, all kind of Sudokus. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you find them all. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Sunday. And tomorrow on Monday, we will meet again. Until then, bye bye for now.